So, I was born in Peru, and my dream was always to become a biologist in the rainforest of South America. And but then when I got deeper into this, I realized, ecology is kind of very boring for me, and it was disappointing. And I really discovered my love for children. I have 6 children, and also for the brain. And so basically I became a neuroscientist in a pediatrics department, and that was always my dream then. And that's how I got to University of Washington. But I had many steps beforehand. I was a faculty at University of Chicago for 13 years in a department of anatomy, and we worked on childhood diseases, but it wasn't really enough to do real research on children. So I collaborated with pediatricians around the country. And when this opportunity came up here to work directly with clinicians and pediatricians, that was a huge opportunity for me. I told you my background is in biology, and so I was a basic scientist interested in the neural control of the brain. How does the brain generate different behaviors? And we became very much involved in the control of breathing. And there are many disorders of dysautonomia, like Rett syndrome, like sudden infant death syndrome, Leigh syndrome, and a lot of disorders that are very much affected by breathing abnormalities. And that's how I got into pediatric research, because we had the opportunity to use our understanding of the brain to find new ways to help these children. But it turned out that my knowledge was not only important for the neural control of breathing, but since we studied how the brain generates rhythm, this became also very important for understanding epilepsy, for example. So we developed a whole program in translating our ideas in what leads to epilepsy, what leads to sudden death of epilepsy. And when I came here to Seattle, I had the opportunity to build a huge group around not only epilepsy, but really childhood diseases in general, and how a genetic mutation, for example, leads to a brain disorder, to a psychiatric disorder, and get at the mechanism, but translate these mechanisms to the diseases. And the opportunity was huge, because 85% of the faculty that we are involved in this center here are clinicians that are practicing and come with a hands-on experience, and we provide kind of the basic science to this. And I think that marriage between the sciences and the medicine is unique here, and gave me a huge opportunity for fascinating research.